Alright, so this is the batter for a Mexican fruit cake that I got from a Mennonite cookbook. Interesting, isn't that? So basically, it's a pineapple batter, and it's going to have a nice cream cheese frosting, which is awesome. I'm gonna put this bad boy into the cake sheet, put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Okay, so now the frosting is done. Whip that up real good. I like it because it's a cream cheese based one, and those are always my favorite. When the cake is out of the oven, we're gonna ice it. It says to ice the cake when it's still a little bit warm, so frost it when it's warm, and that should turn out real nice, inshallah. Okay, everything came out nice and golden. The color is quite remarkable. I think the pineapple juice really added that undertone to it. Everything has caramelized. So let this cool just a little bit, and then we'll put the frosting on top, inshallah. Okay, I have iced it. It has cooled, and we shall slice into it. Okay, mashallah, the texture is very moist. I cut it this kind of in the center like this, just so that you could see from all angles. Mashallah, it looks fantastic. Okay, and then this is a close-up. I think it turned out quite well, alhamdulillah. Look at that. I hope you enjoy the recipe. I'm going to put it in the description box and on Instagram and the Bartaria Times app. If you like these recipes, consider setting a tip on my blog on Subscribestar.